Well, as Honorable Amos Kimunya has said, I was invited to come and have tea with members of parliament from the mountain. And I also came to try to find from them some information about how to climb the mountain. They've shown me different routes to be followed until you reach the Lenana Peak. And we've agreed with them that we are all on this march together. This march to the top of the mountain is basically a march of Kenyan people to liberate themselves so that we can reach that glory land that was envisioned by the founding fathers of our nation.
Na koguo tukite ta atongoria mathuritwo a kirima niguo twaranirie ni twarigia na miario mega muno, miario mihoreru, miario itari na kwihura githuri, miario ya kwinyihia muno makiria. Na toguo kuma muthenya wa umuthi ni tuthi na mbere na kwaraniria. Nie ndita mutumia ndina bata wa kumenya ciana citu muno njamba njithi mekurorwo atia, atumia thiini wa thirikari iguka megukorwo mariha. Na koguo nie ningenete muno ni tondu ni atutariria atwira ati ni ukorwo na mibango miega ya huriite wa biashara ya atumia na ya njamba njithi ona andu mari na mawatho.
Koguo ni tugukorwo tukirianira, ni tugukorwo tukinyuanira na atongoria aria marenda gukorwo magi turora maundu maitu kuria kirima-ini. Koguo tukenete muthenya wa umuthi ati andu turaragia nao umuthi ni turaraniria na ngauga ati kirima ni kiambiririe kwambatwo na kirima kiria gitu kia Mount Kenya kiambatagirwo na Rumoro na kiria gikambatirwo kuria gwitagwo na Nyuki. Na kirima nigetha wambate ri no nginya ugie na mundu wa gukuonia kwambata kirima. Ndungitwara kirima kuria andu marathondekete ati no metware kirima na maroka kirima kiu ki miruthi, kirima kiu ki mikuri maingi muno, no ngiaga mundu wa gukunyita guoko, mundu uyo na muthegi akwambatie kirima, ukwambata haria no haruruke kana ugwe kirima kiu thiini. Koguo Raila ni aratukenia tondu we mwenyewe augire ndoi kirima uria kiambatagwo, ni akwenda kuonio ni aria manambata kirima, aria manatura kirima-ini kiu. Koguo umuthi ni tukenete tondu twakeraniria nake.